Can I actually explain what a black hole is without making your brain melt? Black holes are basically regions in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape once it gets too close. They're formed when a massive star collapses in on itself and its gravity becomes so strong that it warps the fabric of space-time around it. Understanding black holes is really tough because they're invisible. I mean, we can't see them directly, but we can see how they affect the stars and other objects around them. Their gravity is so strong that it pulls everything towards them, making it hard to study them up close. It's like trying to study a shadow. You can't really see it, but you can see what it's doing to the things around it. This extreme gravitational pull also makes it difficult for spacecraft to get close to them, which adds to the challenge. The extreme environment around a black hole is another reason they're hard to study. The gravity is so strong that it distorts space and time in extreme ways, making it difficult for us to understand what's going on. It's a bit like trying to understand a really weird dream. It's hard to make sense of it because it's so different from our everyday experience. Even with these challenges, scientists have been able to learn a lot about black holes by studying their effects on the environment around them. They've also been able to make observations of stars and other objects that get close to black holes. By watching how these objects behave, scientists can infer the presence of a black hole. The event horizon is the point of no return around a black hole. Once something crosses the event horizon, it's trapped by the black hole's gravity and can't escape. The singularity at the center of a black hole is where the gravity is strongest and the laws of physics as we know them break down. When something crosses the event horizon, it gets pulled towards the singularity, where it's essentially crushed out of existence. The event horizon acts like a boundary. Once you cross it, you're in the black hole's gravitational grasp. What's interesting is that the event horizon isn't a physical boundary, but more of a mathematical concept. It's the point where the escape velocity from the black hole exceeds the speed of light. The process of something getting pulled into a black hole is pretty intense. As it approaches the event horizon, it starts to experience some really extreme effects, like time dilation and spaghettification. Time dilation makes time appear to slow down for an observer watching from a distance, while spaghettification is the stretching and squeezing of objects in the direction of the gravity. Spaghettification is one of the most mind-blowing effects of black holes. Imagine being stretched and squeezed like putty in the direction of the gravity, while the rest of the universe appears to slow down around you. It's a pretty intense experience, and it's a key part of what makes black holes so fascinating. Black holes also play a huge role in galaxy formation and evolution. They can affect the motion of stars and gas within galaxies, and can even influence the growth of supermassive black holes at their centers. By studying black holes, scientists can gain insights into the history and evolution of the universe. In a way, black holes are a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the universe. They're a mystery that continues to capture our imagination, and scientists are still working to understand their secrets. To sum it up, black holes are regions of spacetime with such strong gravity that nothing can escape once it gets too close. They're formed from the collapse of massive stars and have extreme effects on space and time around them. If you're still here, I want to hear from you. What do you think about black holes? Do you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more space content, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you're curious about more cosmic mysteries, check out my video on dark matter and dark energy.